You want to make money with candlestick psychology and price action in binary options, in forex, or in any trading. Okay, it can be stock trading also. It can be any trading or any platform. So how you will read candlesticks? What things you have to keep in your mind when you are reading candlesticks? So if you are trading in binary options, you are trading in pocket option or any broker, these things you always have to keep in your mind. But first thing, always keep this point in your mind that you have to invest your money on learning. That's why I always tell that before earning, invest your money on learning. If you want to join my one-on-one coaching class, details is in description. And pocket option and Cortex account opening link is in description and pin comment. Let's start. So, sure, points to be remembered. The first thing, like I told you, you have to invest money on learning. The next thing is that candlestick. Okay, you have to learn candlestick psychology. But can just with candlestick psychology you can make money? This question you have to ask to yourself. People don't ask this question. People think that just with candlestick psychology they can make lots of money. No, you can't make money just with candlestick psychology. You need patience. You need patience. How to control emotions, emotion control. Then I will say money management, risk management. Okay, these things you need. Just with candlestick psychology and price action you can't make money. Now lots of people ask me that what is difference between candlestick psychology and price action. There is no difference, both are same thing. Sure, but if you want to trade with candlestick psychology and price action, you need emotional control, you need money management, you need risk management. Then only you can make money in trading. This thing you always have to keep in your mind. So if you want to make money in trading, so these things you have to see. Now in candlestick psychology and price action, you always have to see that how market is moving. First thing is you have to see patterns, candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns works very well in the market. Next thing you have to see is SNR level. You can see SNR level first also. SNR level is also important. Support and resistance level. If you don't know how to trade on support and resistance level, then you will not make money in binary options, in pocket option or any other broker. Third thing is that how to read reversal candles. Okay, reversal candles, then round number, then I will say trend line level. Okay, so these things you have to see how you can trade on round numbers, how you can trade on trend line. At trend line you can trade same as support and resistance level, but you have to see these things. If you don't know how you can trade on round number, how you can trade at SNR level, then you will not make money in binary options trading or in any trading. So if you want to make money, these things you always have to follow. You always have to see patterns in the market. There are lots of patterns market follow, like double top double bottom pattern. It is a reversal pattern. Now hammer, spinning top, shooting star, engulfing pattern. This pattern, if it comes in middle of the trend, it will continue the market. But if this pattern comes at a level, then it will reverse the market. So this thing you always have to see where the pattern is coming, and you have to see how market is moving. If you don't know how market is moving, you don't know how to read candlesticks, you don't know how to read patterns, then you will not make money. With indicators you can't make money in trading. If you want to make money, you have to learn candlesticks. And for learning candlesticks, I just want to say learn these things: patterns, SNR level, reversal candles, round number, trend line levels. Candlestick psychology means candlestick reading is not one strategy, it is a combination of different strategies. So you always have to combine all the strategies, then it will become candlestick psychology and price action. So what is candlestick psychology and price action? Simple thing is that it is a combination of strategies. Like you are seeing patterns, where the pattern is coming. If that pattern is coming at SNR level, then it will reverse the market. In middle of the trend, it will continue the market. Like that, you have to combine the strategies and you can make money in trading, in any trading. But first thing you have to learn is that how to learn candlestick. And for learning candlestick, you have to learn patterns, SNR level, round number, trend line, reversal candles. There are lots of candlestick patterns. Just one time you have to see that how that candlestick patterns are working. After you know how candlesticks are moving in the market, After that, you can easily make money. But you have to first read candlesticks. You have to know candlestick psychology, the logic behind the price action. Then only you can make money. I hope you understand. If you want to join my one-on-one coaching class, details is on the screen. Contact details is in this video description. Thank you. God bless you all and have a successful trading.